Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're ranking the 10 smartest AI builds that I compiled in 2025 based on some deep research. We're diving into cutting-edge builds you can make with real costs, real build times, with zero to minimum fluff. The list counts down from 10 to 1. Industrial vision on a budget. What it does. Counts screws and bolts on a conveyor using a TensorRT tuned MobileNet on a Jetson Nano. The numbers. About $150 to $180. Multi-week build. Advanced CV skills required. Impressive. One of the most accessible demos of INT8 quantized inspection at hobby price. Decent performance for prototyping. The good. Solid frame rates for testing. Plus, you'll master dataset preparation. The reality check. Long training cycles and you'll need perfect lighting conditions. Your personal camera operator. Speaking of tracking, this servo-powered follower uses Pi 5 Plus Halo AI hat to keep your cat, drone, or dance moves perfectly centered. The numbers, about $200 to $230. One intensive afternoon. Advanced electronics. Value play commercial auto tracking heads start at $600. This delivers pro-grade tracking for a third of the price. The good. Professional results on a budget. The catch. Halo hat stock is unpredictable. Set those alert. Gesture Showdown. What it does. Sony IMX500 camera plus Pi 5 guesses your hand sign in 50 milliseconds. The numbers. $120, single day build, intermediate skills, pros. Can be a perfect science fair project. The catch. That camera module is specialized. Double check shipping times. But here's the thing. What if your Pi could predict your next move? Keep watching for project number 3. ChatGPT Smart Speaker Energetic. Let's talk voice AI. Pi 4B USB mic, tiny speaker, OpenAI's API handles the conversation. The numbers. $80. Under 2 hours. Beginner friendly. No soldering. The good. Instant demo that'll blow minds. The reality. Internet dependency plus API costs after your free credits. Totally offline Jarvis. What it does. Uses Vosk speech to text on Pi 4 and local LLM via Ollama over VPN mesh. The numbers. $80 identical hardware. 8 hours setup. Advanced Linux skills. The game changer. Zero cloud dependency. Your privacy stays yours. 60 FPS object detection. What it does. Pi 5 Plus new AI hat plus choose through YOLO V8. The numbers. About $200 up to $250. Under 1 hour. Beginner. Thanks to install scripts. Powerful. The power. Edge computer vision that can handle multiple object detection streams. The limitation. Only YOLO V8 weights supported for now. Voice activated smart mirror. Pi plus one-way acrylic plus Google Gemini Live API equals the smartest mirror you've ever owned. The numbers, about $180 up to $220. Multi-day woodworking project, advanced maker skills. The appeal, sleek bathroom AI that actually looks professional. The gotchas, mirror finish scratches easily. Sealing edges is crucial and API rate limits may apply. Speaking of talking mirrors, wait until project number 2 where the Pi literally talks to itself. Your mobile tool caddy. Now we're moving. High 3B, depth camera, Arduino motor driver. This 24-hour hackathon build follows you around the workspace. The numbers. Weekend to week-long project. Advanced robotics. The breakthrough. First mobile entry on our list. Practical workspace companion. The challenges. SLAM tuning is tricky on Pi 3B. Indoor use only. Expect debugging time. Number 2. Pi LLM Hub. Your personal ChatGPT. What if your Pi could think? Pi 5 with active cooling running Llama 3 via Ollama. Completely offline. The numbers. 8+ hours setup. Intermediate command line. The freedom. No tokens, no cloud, no limits. Just pure local AI. The trade-off. Requires 8 GB Pi 5 model. Response is much slower than Cloud GPT. Limited context window. But if your Pi can think, what's left for number 1? AI coach that never sleeps. The ultimate fusion. ESP32 driver, 7.5-inch tricolor e-ink, Pi 5, and on-device Gemma LLM, creating custom motivation from your Strava and Garmin data. The numbers. Multi-week polish, intermediate to advanced skills. Low-power e-ink meets local AI for personalized motivation that adapts to your actual fitness data. The beauty. Battery friendly. always visible motivation. The reality: very slow refresh rates, finicky solder joints, and API integration challenges. Honorable mentions: High Zero AR glasses, heads-up display magic, AI kayak autopilot, IMU plus motor control, sign language translation glasses, gesture to text in real time, recycling vision truck, automated waste sorting. Note: prices fluctuate with component availability. All estimates based on mid-2025 pricing. So which project are you tackling first? Drop that number below. Ready for more? Tap that end screen to queue up our next deep dive.